What is this? SD. Yo, it's your boy Capo Job. I got another banger. Maytag SD suds error. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this pup out, take the back off, some bolts, and then this part actually, and then we're gonna get to the filter, which is right here. Great spot, Maytag. Unplug. Shimmy it out. Yeah, this thing's leaking. Turning that off. Turning these off. I don't know. I'll turn it back on later. It's leaking. Yo, we out here. What up? From behind the washing machine. We out here. This is like 1/4 inch or something. It's always the right size. Up, it's your boy. Man, it's freaking hot, man. I don't know. There's like a million of them. I don't know how many that is. It's little tiny baby screws. Oh, one more screw. Hey, money shot. It's off. God damn it. Careful, this metal's kind of sharp. I'm stuck behind the washing machine. Look how close the towel is. I'm gonna need that. I cannot reach it. Look at all these towels that I should have put really close because this thing's gonna spit water, but whatever. This far, guys, going down. Shit. All right, do you see anything that looks like an easy twist off filter? Suds, where are the suds? Don't see anything easy at all. I'm gonna take off the bottom. Lay it on its front. Get a bucket to capture the water. Close these tight. Got a mat. Let's turn it over. All right. The dispenser came open. Whatever. Piece of crap anyway. Oh look, there's a hole under here. Look at this. There's a hole. Okay. There you are. All right, I'm gonna get a garbage bag under it. Now I'm just gonna unscrew it and. Camera. It's on there. On there. Where do I turn it? Okay. Now I guess I need to use. Oh, there we go. Still got it. Thumb muscles. There we go. Come on. Well, what do we get? What do we catch? All right. Screws, some bracelets. We got stuff on my shoulder. All right, got it. Cleaned it. Putting it back. But yeah, there's this little access. There's a big hole here, so maybe if we tilt it back, you can get to it. I don't know. This wasn't too bad. So I'm gonna put everything back. Pro tip, if you want to move the pump to the back, See how it has these here? This pattern matches, this seems to match this pattern, so it can rotate to the back. But I don't have time and feel like doing that. But maybe next time I will. But pro tip, you have to disconnect all the hoses, I think. See, this one has like a notch on it. And I just don't have time for that. Don't have time for that. Teflon tape on here. Doing a quick clean washer, or a quick wash to test it. It's all hooked back up. Oh yeah, turn this on. I switched these, I think they're different. I don't know. I just threw some vinegar in there, just checking for leaks. Checking for leaks. I think we are good. Switch these, I think they're different. Turn them back on. Look at that, finished, clean. All right, that's how you do it. It's the filter. You could probably just, oh, I wouldn't tilt it. I'd tilt it on its front with like a mat or something. That's how you do it. All right, thank you for watching. We'll see ya.